IPSY. I love these guys. So I am thoroughly enjoying my journey so far right now with makeup. I think this is like my 5th package with them now. I've gotten some really good stuff, and like I've said in the past, it's all sample size. So if I don't like it, great. If I do like it, then it's usually about $30 to $45 for a full size, if it's a sample size. But I just go through the sample and I wait for the next one to come in. So it actually works out really well. And these bags are only $12 a bag. So you could upgrade it to bigger sizes and everything, but honestly, this works perfectly for me. So let's open it. I'm not gonna cut myself. I've learned my lesson on that. Alright. So first thing I see. Ooh. Leave-in conditioner. I love leave-in conditioner. It's coconut shea. So shea butter, obviously. Refresh and renew, paraben-free and sulfate-free. It's from Eden Body Works. I love coconut, so. Oh, it smells so good. Now, I've said it in the past, I really like my Garnier Fructis that I use, my leave-in conditioner, and it's pretty cheap. I want to say it's like maybe $3 to $5 a bottle, and it's like a big bottle. I mean, I want to say it's like 3 of these put in one, basically. But I'm always up for experimenting, because if this works really well, I'm all for it. Next, there's one more thing before we get to the bag. Oh, that's different. It's a brush, which I love brushes, so I've stated that in every single video. Kabuki? I don't know. LaRouche? I don't know. But it's got this cool little dimpled pattern to it, and then it's smooth on one edge. It's just nice and soft, just like all my other brushes. I love it. I love it. That's awesome. I don't know what it's for, but we will find out. And the bag. Ooh, feels soft. Oh, it's see-through. Well, that's kind of cool, though. It says Dream all over it. It's like a powder blue. It's pretty. Definitely an improvement from their last bag. We got Moroccan Magic Argan and Essential Oil Lip Balm. Okay, I really don't want to keep getting lip balm in my bags. I actually updated my profile because I could have swore I said no lip products, but apparently I did. So I updated my profile after this came in to make sure that it put the lip products as rarely as possible. So, but I mean, my lips are getting rather dry, so this could be beneficial. Ooh, peppermint and eucalyptus. I like peppermint, and I like eucalyptus. Could be good. So, I'm actually wearing the chapstick from my previous bag, if you've seen my previous video, and it actually feels really nice, so I'm glad I got it. Alright, next. Fully charged mascara powered by magnetic technology. Interesting. By Pure. Cruelty-free, gluten-free, and vegan-friendly. I've noticed that about a lot of their products. They try to stick to the organic, cruelty-free, vegan-free. They've tried to stick to that genre of cosmetics, which is kind of cool. It's like a bonus to your products. It is a trial size, but I am always up for a brand new mascara. I am still on the trial size that I got in, I think, my first bag, but it's working out rather nicely, so I don't know, I might just have to wait till that one runs out and then use the next one. Alright, what do we got? Single highlighter. Oh, I keep getting a whole bunch of highlighters. I think I changed that in my profile too, that I didn't want any more highlighters. for some reason, I think I had it on as often as possible. So I was like, no, I don't want any more highlighters. I've got like 3 of them now. This will be like my 4th one. So this is Catrice Cosmetics Luminous, I don't know, highlighter. It's pretty packaging. Again, vegan, cruelty-free, no parabens, perfume-free. And honestly, it looks a lot like the other highlighter I have. So, it's pretty though, and I have tried one already, so it's not so bad. But again, with my skin being so fair as it is, putting a highlighter on it doesn't really do a lot. So I might have to stop getting highlighters altogether. But I don't know, maybe I'm just doing it wrong. Oh, I've got a lot in this bag. Violet Voss eyeshadow. I love getting eyeshadow. Love getting eyeshadow. It's got like a texture to the box. It's kind of funny. There we go. It's got like a rose gold inlay to it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's pretty. Same thing on the container. So again, this is going to be a sample size because it's just a single. Ooh, I don't know if that's going to look well with me. It's got like a gold tone. It might be, I don't know, I might be able to use it right here in the corner of my eye where I use the nude. But is that supposed to be a mirror? It is supposed to be a mirror. Let's see if I can get it out. Nice. I love the doubles. There's a mirror. Yeah, I like the mirror. So I don't know, we'll see if that works. I think that was the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 6 items in this box this time. That's pretty good. Alright. Which is good because the last box, or bag, excuse me, the last bag I kind of felt like I didn't get that much. I only got 2 full-size products, and one of them was the lip balm and the brush. So it was like, really? But, alright. Introducing refreshments. Exclusive for IPSY members. Member pricing starts at $5. So that's cool. There's no code or anything, so I think I can just go ahead and show it to you guys. But yeah, that's just a little member exclusive. Pretty cool. Alright, January 2021. Dream it. New month, new year. Whew. And the sky's the limit. When you start small, a trim here, a bold lip there, your grandest glow goals will be within reach. Get into this month's theme at ipsy.com/dreamit. So, yeah, pretty cool. Alright, let's get on with it. Alright, so the mascara. Pure Mini Fully Charged Mascara. Mini. Well, yeah, you said that already. They kind of give you a little, you know, hey, do this with it and do this with it. Tip, hold the wand horizontally and coat each lash from root to tip. Well, at least I knew that much. So, deluxe sample, and the MSRP for the full size is $22. That's actually not that bad. More than I usually spend, but not that bad. But it's a sample, and I'm still not done with my last sample, so I'm good. Alright, Moroccan Magic Peppermint Eucalyptus Lip Balm. Well, let me hold it right. Dry lips season is in full swing. Yes, it is. Need a quick fix for rough cuticles? Whoa, what? Rub a tiny bit around them to help smooth and heal. Oh, that's kind of cool. See, I like the little tips that they put on the card. That's pretty cool. This is obviously the full size, and it's $4, $3.99. So, I like that. That's kind of cool. And I do get really bad cuticles and stuff, so That's awesome. Okay. The Catrice Luminice, I don't know, highlighter in Lumi. The highlighter. Tip, try the wet look highlighter trend and tap a bit of Vaseline on top. I'd rather not, but there's a tip for you if you want to try it. Deluxe sample, MSRP for the full size is $12. This is 0.12 ounces. No, they did it in grams. Okay, this is 3.3 grams, and the full size is 12 grams. So, be like a little compact. The Violet Voss single eyeshadow in Magic Hour. It just sounds cool saying it. Magic Hour. Tip, sweep this shadow across your lids alone or as a base color with other shimmery shadows. Might have to try that. Deluxe sample. MSRP for the full size is $18. See, it says full size palette. So yeah, they usually do come in palettes. So, but the palette would be $18. So, I'm assuming it would be like where it comes with like 3 other colors at least. But I don't know. And then of course, the brush. It's pretty. This versatile brush is, LaRousse Beauty LR222 Kabuki Brush Denim Blue Collection. This versatile brush is ideal for blending your favorite shadow onto your lids too. Perfect! It's a little bit bigger than I would have figured it was. I'm used to the sponge ones, the little oval shaped sponge ones. They're like really small. But I actually needed a new eyeshadow brush because all mine are starting to get a little broken. So yeah, I needed one. So that's perfect. Okay. And that is, wow. Obviously it's the full size. The brushes are always full size. That's a $30 brush. Holy crap. I mean, I don't know anything about these brands, but is LaRousse or whatever, is that a very popular brand or high-end brand? I mean, $30 for a brush? Yikes. I would never pay that. But it's in my $12 bag. And I got all these other samples. So that's cool. Guys, okay, seriously. $12 for this, $30. Wait a minute. They didn't say anything about this. Was this a mess up, or did I wonder if I added this and forgot about it. So it does happen. I promise you it happens. So they have these member exclusives where they send out, because you can go on their website and you can buy things straight from their website, but they have member exclusives where they send you an email and you can select $5 buys. But I was pretty sure this very well might have been. Wow, I can't believe I forgot about it. But $5 buys, and you can add them to your next bag, or you can get them in immediately. And I recently did that with, I'm gonna get in an eyebrow one, because obviously I still can't do my eyebrows very well, so. But I think I did this at the beginning of January for this bag, so that's probably what this is. So I'm pretty sure it's a $5 item, which again is about how much I usually spend for my leave-in conditioner, but that's smaller than what I use, so hopefully it's worth it. But, so we'll leave that out of it for a second. So $12, $30 brush, mini size mascara, and I'm still not done with the other one. Oh no, this is full size. And this is, you can use it on your cuticles too. Haha. The highlighter, probably won't use it, but you never know. And then I'll use their tip and try that with some shimmer eyeshadow. So, all in all, pretty good for $12. That's pretty awesome. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know if you think you would, if you have any tips for me, actually. I think that's what I'm really looking for, is I need tips. If you see anything in here that you could be like, oh yeah, try this with it, or try this with it, I am all ears, because I know nothing about makeup. I'm gonna keep saying it, because I know nothing about makeup. I've even forgotten what some of my past brushes are supposed to do. So, leave a comment down below if you like any of these items. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time.